You know, we've had some showers this morning, but we're going to be dealing with more strong storms possibly later today. We had some severe weather yesterday, and we're going to be dealing with that between 1 and 7 today. And then we'll have a brief dry spell Friday into really Saturday, but tropical impacts are expected early next week as Tropical Storm Cristobal makes an approach towards the northern Gulf of Mexico. And taking a look right now, there's some heavy storms moving through southern Missouri, northern Arkansas. Not a ton going on in our region, but it is warm. And I'm telling you, all the way up to the Canadian border this morning, and there's also some showers moving through portions of Florida and the Gulf Coast. And zooming in just a bit to Mississippi, again, not a whole lot going on. Some showers offshore of Mississippi, coastal region just off the coast of Gulfport. Also dealing with some showers and thunderstorms into the Memphis metro area. But here in the Delta, things relatively quiet this morning. That is going to change though. And zooming in, there's some light showers really moving just north of Highway 82 from anywhere from about Cleveland over into Greenwood into Grenada County and Tallahatchie, Charleston, seeing a little bit of light rain. Other than that, you know, very calm this morning. There is some cloud cover and peaks of sunshine as well, but it is mild and muggy this morning. I'm telling you, good morning, Greenville. You're waking up to 74 degrees, very sultry out there, dew points of 70 degrees, and that's when you start to get into that oppressive range. Dew points in the low 70s here in Greenwood as well. Temperatures at 73, and the humidity 94%, and it's warm all across. Plenty of humidity all the way to Little Rock to Monroe, where temperatures are currently 73, 75 in Vicksburg, and off to the east, temperatures in the 70s as well. So very warm out there, and rain chances going to be pretty high today, but going into Friday and Saturday, again, low rain chances, but by Sunday night into Monday, especially Monday, that's the day we're going to really have to circle on our calendar as for major impacts due to Tropical Storm Cristobal. And then going into Tuesday and Wednesday, we start to see those rain chances gradually come out. Now, tracking out the rest of your Thursday, again, scattered showers and thunderstorms possible throughout the day, gradually decreasing as we go into the overnight hours, but by tomorrow a few showers possible, mainly to the south. It looks like southern Mississippi and the Gulf Coast going to have the best chance of any rain tomorrow, and then going through Saturday we sort of lose the chance of rain. Most of it's going to stay confined to the Gulf Coast, where anywhere from 2 to 4 inches of rain will be possible all the way from Mississippi into the Florida Panhandle. But going into Sunday, that's when Tropical Storm Cristobal starts to make an approach towards the region, and it looks like landfall is going to be possible just to the west of New Orleans into central Louisiana, at least coastal regions of central Louisiana, and then move onshore early Monday morning. And if this tracks up into central Louisiana to our west, this is going to bring some heavy rain, gusty winds, and maybe even the threat for a few spin-up tornadoes to the Delta and much of Mississippi. So again, this is going to be something we watch very closely. Currently situated over Mexico, well, southern Mexico that is, 40-mile-per-hour winds as of this morning, but only moving about 2 miles per hour. But this is going to get picked up and start to pick up speed a little bit into this weekend and become a pretty strong tropical storm. Now, depending on how fast this thing moves, if it slows down a little bit, it could strengthen a little quicker. So we could be dealing with a hurricane next week. But as of now, we're thinking tropical storm or with about 60-mile-per-hour winds, which is still pretty significant, moving onshore sometime Monday morning and then gradually moving up, and by Tuesday morning about 1 a.m. we're looking at a depression just to our west with 35-mile-per-hour winds. So again, gusty winds and very heavy rain. We could definitely see a flash flooding potential from this storm, so definitely going to see those impacts coming into the Delta. And I think the earliest we'll start to see any impacts from the storm probably late Sunday, and then through Tuesday morning we could see anywhere from 40 to 50-mile-per-hour wind gust, heavy rain, and a few brief tornadoes. And the flash flood potential definitely will be there. I would not be surprised if we have a flash flood watch going into effect as we go into Monday, as we could see anywhere from 1 to 4 inches of rain. But for today, we're just going to be dealing with some general scattered storms, maybe a few strong storms with gusty winds. Highs will reach around 90. And again, the Storm Prediction Center has issued a marginal risk. That's a level 1 out of 5, mainly north of Highway 82. Gusty winds, some hail up to the size of quarters will be possible across the region. Tonight, things will start to calm down gradually. We can still see a couple isolated thunderstorms during the evening, otherwise partly cloudy skies. Tomorrow, highs of 92. It's going to be pretty hot out there, mostly sunny for the most part, but a few isolated afternoon thunderstorms will be possible. However, most places will stay dry. Saturday really getting up there temperature wise, 94 degrees. But again, Monday, circle that day because that's going to be the day of the highest impacts over the next week. Definitely going to be windy and rainy that day, kind of nasty as we start our next work week.